Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of deliciously easy layered desserts. These recipes are perfect for any occasion and super simple to make, even if you're a baking beginner. Trust me. We've got creamy trifles, fruity delights, and even a classic Italian treat, all made with easy-to-find ingredients. So grab your aprons and your spoons because things are about to get super yummy. Let's get started. First up is a chocolate lover's dream, chocolate trifle. We're starting with a layer of moist, delicious chocolate cake. You can use a store-bought one or your favorite recipe. No judgment here. Next, we're adding a generous layer of creamy chocolate pudding. I like to use instant pudding mix for extra convenience, but feel free to make your own. Now for the best part, a mountain of fluffy whipped cream. I like to add a little vanilla extract to my whipped cream for an extra flavor boost. Repeat these layers, finishing with a sprinkle of chocolate shavings for the ultimate chocolatey experience. Time for a refreshingly fruity treat, berry parfait. This one is super easy and perfect for a quick breakfast or snack. We're starting with a layer of creamy Greek yogurt. You can use any flavor you like, but I prefer plain or vanilla. Next, add a handful of your favorite mixed berries. I love using a mix of strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries for a vibrant parfait. For a little crunch, sprinkle on some granola. I like to use a honey nut granola for extra flavor. Repeat the layers until your glass is full, finishing with a drizzle of honey for extra sweetness. Get ready for a taste of Italy with this classic tiramisu. This recipe might sound fancy, but it's actually very simple. We're starting with ladyfingers, those light and airy cookies that are perfect for soaking up all the delicious flavors. Dip each ladyfinger into a mixture of strong coffee and coffee liqueur. This step is crucial for that authentic tiramisu taste. Now for the star of the show, mascarpone cheese. We're mixing this creamy Italian cheese with sugar and a touch of vanilla extract for a heavenly filling. Spread the mascarpone mixture over the soaked ladyfingers, creating a beautiful layered effect. Repeat the layers, finishing with a generous dusting of cocoa powder. Let's get this banana pudding party started. This recipe is a classic for a reason. It's creamy, comforting, and oh so delicious. We're beginning with a layer of crunchy vanilla wafers. Make sure to spread them evenly to create a solid base for our pudding. Next comes the star of the show, sliced bananas. I like to use ripe bananas for extra sweetness and flavor. Now for the creamy goodness vanilla pudding. I like to use instant pudding mix for extra convenience, but you can totally make your own. Spread the pudding over the bananas, creating a beautiful swirly pattern. Repeat the layers, finishing with a dollop of whipped cream and some crushed vanilla wafers for extra crunch. Get ready for summer with this classic strawberry shortcake delight. This recipe is light, refreshing, and perfect for any occasion. We're starting with a layer of buttery shortcake biscuits. You can use store-bought biscuits or your favorite recipe. It's all about convenience. Next comes a generous dollop of freshly whipped cream. I like to add a little vanilla extract and sugar to my whipped cream for extra flavor. Now for the star of the show, fresh strawberries. Hull and slice your strawberries and arrange them over the whipped cream. Repeat the layers, finishing with a whole strawberry on top for a beautiful presentation. I hope you enjoyed these easy layered dessert recipes. Which one will you try first? They're all so delicious and perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. Don't forget to share your creations with me. Tag me on social media. I'd love to see your layered masterpieces. Don't forget to